That when you look at here, I am talking about that it is a social product. It is an intellectual framework. Genesis in socio-historical condition Western Europe. That socio-historical condition of Western Europe, which started witnessing a transition from pre-modern to modern. What this transition that has started emerging out? Broadly, when you look at the transitions, then we started witnessing the transition from agrarian to industrial. Feudalism being replaced. Industries coming out. Critical introspection toward the medieval customs, religion, and primacy to the reason. It means when you look in the transition, transition is taking place from agrarian to industrial, from feudal to capitalism, from religion to reason, and also from democracy, from monarchy to democracy. Now these changes which are taking place, they now are requiring the new kind of analysis, they are requiring new kind of explanation. The old explanation being tied to land started proving inadequate. And in this very perspective, ultimately in 1838, sociology emerged, whose foundation was laid down by Auguste Comte, the French scholar, on the basis of two, socius and logos. Thus, it is scientific study of society. That's why I said that sociology developed on the premise that akin to the natural science, which is discovering the natural laws to understand the natural phenomena, the social laws to study society scientifically could be developed and could be established. In this very perspective, we will be finding about the genesis of positivism as well, which we will be picking up in Unit 2.